Oh yeah.
Whoa, alright.
Alright.
I was getting nervous.
Figure out what they're biting on.
Yep.
Well, that was on a tube, which last week I couldn't buy a strike on a tube.
So I tell people, like, look, if you want to go to Jiffy Lube for your oil changes, that's fine.
There we go, fish on, yeah.
Going?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Looks like another rock bass.
if you want to go to Jiffy Lube for your oil changes, that's fine, but
Wow, these are big.
once a year bring it to the dealer so we can check it out.
Yeah.
Oh, we got a double on rock bass. Look at that.
I can't even catch a rock guy. And honestly, like that.
There we go.
Oh.
Pickerel.
Uh-oh.
There's a nice one.
That chatterbait's catching everything.
Yeah.
Spinnerbait is catching nothing.
And there he goes. Perfect release.
I'm not giving up though. I'm not giving up on the spinnerbait. I love spinnerbait.
There's one. Oh, that's good.
Yep, that's a smallie, all right.
Yeah, not huge, but it's a nice one.
Maybe I'm using the wrong flavor.
Well,
I honestly don't think the spinnerbait color matters too much, as long as it looks like it's trying to get away.
yeah, I'd agree with you there.
I know what it is. I'm at the back of the boat again. You two guys get the choice.
Ooh, this tube seems to be working today.
Okay.
No, that
Okay, all right. Well,
I didn't even do anything. I just lobbed it out there. I was waiting for it to sink. Thinking about something else.
What
This
color?
is a better
What
one.
color? Wow,
Oh, this
nice.
is a better one.
What color you got on there?
It's,
Crayfish? Like a brown or a
It's
green?
brown with orange flakes. It's my favourite.
ooh, that's a good one.
Yeah. I got a ton of them if you want one. Or if
I got
you
a
want.
bunch. I got a bunch from left over from our Susquehanna trip. So that sounds like it might have to happen sooner than later.
That's a nice one.
Yeah, that's a solid 2.5 maybe.
Yeah.
Fish on. Yes.
Good one.
Oh, it's a
Good one
perch.
too. It's a double. Oh, a perch.
I'll take it. Big
What
old
I got
perch.
here.
Oh, another rock bass. Double on panfish.
There's a nice one.
Oh, there we go.
Ooh, this is a real nice one.
Ooh, that's a smallie, all right.
Look at the net.
Oh, he's a beaut.
All right.
Dark phase too. Look at him.
Oh, nice.
All right.
That's a lunka.
Yeah. Good fish.
Number 2.
Yep. There he is. Beautiful colors.
Oh, there's some up shallow.
Yeah, he was pretty shallow.
Yeah.
Ready?
Not bad.
Go back. Get bigger.
There's one. It's got to be a bass. No. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
There's one.
There's one.
Got it?
Yep.
Nice,
Come on, I felt the nibble. Come on.
Yours looks like a good one.
Mine is a good one, yeah.
Oh yeah.
On that chatterbait.
Yep.
Oh wow.
What you got there?
Big smallie.
Oh, yeah. Oh,
Woo.
nice.
All right.
I want to get a picture of that one.
Okay, you got it. Come on, buddy. There we go.
down. That's a smallmouth. Little
Oh
guy.
yeah. Down that tube. You on the net?
Nah.
There's a nice fish.
He's alright. Get me those pliers. They're handy. Got it in pretty deep.
All right, I'll give him my pair of pliers.
Where'd mine go?
There you go.
Thank you.
Oh, yours are down here.
Thank you.
All right. Oh, there's a smallie.
That's a better one. Let me get the net.
Oh, come on. All right, that didn't. There you go.
I gotta earn my keep.
There it is.
Nice.
Might be the same one. Look at that as I was bringing it up.
There's one right there.
Huh?
Fish?
Right there, yeah.
You see a fish on it?
Yep.
Oh yeah.
There he
You
is.
got him. Nice. It didn't take long.
Too easy.
Textbook.
Oh, air right in the net.
Oh, did he come off?
Yeah, he popped right off into the net.
It's like cheating though.
It kind of is, especially when the water's this clear.
Oh, good.
It's fun though.
It is.
I like catching on beds.
And we're letting him go, so no harm, no foul.
He'll go right back to his bed.
Yeah, they
Come
do.
back in a half an hour and catch him again.
Yup, you can do
Done
that.
I've done that. It seems a little mean though.
Yeah, that's a little unfair.
Oh,
There we go. That might have been the same fish.
was that off a bed?
I don't know. I couldn't see. The sun was glaring. Oh yeah, ultralight bassin', buddy.
Let me get the net. Oh, that's nice.
Yeah.
Let's get a picture of you.
Oh, yeah.
I don't have a picture of you yet.
There, fishy. There you go.
Nice. Oh, that is nice.
Oh, there was a hit. There he is.
Need the net?
Nah.
Oh, this looks like the spot to be today.
Yeah.
Yep, good action.
Yeah, I think we should, when we're done here, we'll finish this and then I think we should make another pass out a little deeper. Maybe pick up a bigger one.
Oh, we
you
got
got
another one. That's a smallie.
Right up by that log thing out there. Whatever that is sticking out.
Oh, he spit something up.
Probably another fish.
Yeah, it is.
Was it a fish or a...
It's definitely a fish.
Oh, wow.
Come here, little fella.
There's one. He was right on the drop off. Really?
Nice. On that Senko?
I know. It's a large one.
Oh, look at that.
No, it was on a tube.
Huh.
Pretty nice largemouth.
Yeah, he's not bad.
They seem to have changed their strategy.
There we go.
Oh, you're
That's a smallie.
nice. You on the net?
Nah, I don't think so. If he was on a bed, I'd dropped it right on top of him.
Getting new fishing stuff in after around July.
There we go.
Oh, that's a nice one.
Yeah. Probably.
I think you need. Oh, I was going to say, let's get the net.
I'll
for that
lift
one.
this fish.
That's a good one.
Yeah, he's hooked pretty secure. Oh!
That's all right.
He
Hey,
bit
Kat,
it
you
off.
touched him, didn't you?
He was what? What was he? You said
No, it snapped off.
Oh, did it?
Yeah, he snapped it.
Oh, I should have never.
Yeah, probably.
My fault.
Nah, it was me being overconfident professional bass fisherman.
bass-handed.
Need to pick up
Ooh,
some of
this
that.
Boy, look. This is
Oh wow.
this one.
This is a nice little stretch of water we're on
Yeah.
right now.
Just looking for that spinnerbait bite.
This is one of my favourite spots on the lake, but I tell you, you come here some days and there's just nothing. Oh, there's one.
Nice. But it looks like they are keyed in on the tube today.
Yeah.
Plenty of lake left. Plenty of lake left. I'll get one on this one.
The best part of that,
There we go.
Oh,
That's a
that's
smallie.
let's net this one.
Yes, good idea.
That's a nice one.
Take no chances. Oh, this is a good one.
Yeah.
Red.
Nice. All right.
You?
Very nice.
Muy bueno.
Sí, me gusta. Oh, I just had a smallmouth follow mine in.
Oh, did you?
Yeah. Chris, you might get him to bite.
We'll see.
Yeah, I found. Yep, and there he is. Oh, that's a largemouth.
Is it?
Yeah, look at that.
Oh, yes.
That's a different fish from what I had followed in. Very nice.
Not a rock bass.
Ooh, that's a nice.
Nice. Yeah, that's definitely get the net for that one.
It just looks big because it's ultralight, guys.
Oh, no, that's
No,
a
it's
good
pretty
one.
big.
That's the biggest one today.
No. Yeah, maybe. That's the most acrobatic.
Yeah.
Nice.
There you go.
That is a nice fish, though.
Yeah.
This is one of the leftover tubes from the Susquehanna. A little heavier, shorter, but that's a nice fish. All day. Sluggish hit, though. We didn't clobber that one.
There's a fish. Did he jump before you knew he was on?
Yeah, he did. Actually, that's a tiny smallmouth.
Oh yeah, it is.
He totally jumped right. Well, that's being an overachiever.
That's crazy.
You're going to be somebody's hunter next year. Smallmouth?
Oh, yeah.
Not bad.
That will. Caught before.
Oh, that's a smallie.
Yeah. Came off that bed. Was it the same bed we hit before?
Could have been.
I don't know if it's the same fish.
When I was a kid in London, we used to eat something called Dutch herring.
Oh, there we go. That could be a smallie.
Maybe a smallie.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, nice one.
It's a solid fish. Came right off that dock post.
Oh yeah?
Yep.
He's probably on the bed.
He could have been, yeah.
Nice.
Yeah. Alright, there we go. Nice. Solid 2-pounder. There we go. Just speed demon this thing in here. There we go. I need a higher gear ratio on this reel.
And speed record. No. Water speed record.
World record for most rock bass landed in a minute. Nice. That's a smallie.
On that break there.
Oh, okay. That's a decent fish.
Yeah. There's one that's been going around of a guy.
Oh, there we go.
Whoa, catching a 16-pound largemouth by hand. Have you seen that?
Yes. Yeah, he holds the minnow.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a largemouth right there.
That's a nice one.
Speak of the devil.
Yeah.
Nice one. Was he right up by that log? That's a big tree with the water there.
Yes, it is. That's a good largie.
Yeah.
Oh, whatever it was broke me right off.
Probably a pickerel.
He was right on that log.
There we go. That's a smallie. All right. Oh, look at that. This one's definitely been caught before. See that?
Oh yeah.
There you go. Catch and release works.